So our next question is asking us, let's copy down the question. What is tangent 45, sine 45, and cosine 45? Alright, so first let's construct a triangle with 45 degrees as its interior angles. Okay, so that's 45, 90, 45. Okay, and remember this is one of the special triangles. So the other special triangle is 30, 60, 90, and 45, 45, 90 is one of the special triangles. So special triangles. And by saying that this triangle is a special one, is because the ratio of its side is following 1, 1, and root 2. So for say that's x, x, and this will be root 2x. Okay? And so for example, if we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle with one of its side is 2, so the other one will be 2 as well, and the hypotenuse will be 2 root 2. So if we have a 3, then it's going to be 3 and 3 root 2. Okay, so you always follow this ratio. Okay, and by knowing this, let's go back to our question. So first, when we talk about sine, it's always going to be opposite over hypotenuse. And when we talk about cosine, it's always going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. And when we talk about tangent, it's going to be opposite over adjacent. Alright? So, oops, just move this a little bit downward. Okay. So for sine 45, let's get rid of this graph. Let's focus on this angle. So the opposite will be x, which is right here, over hypotenuse, which is root 2x, and the x canceled out, so we have 1 over root 2, which can also be written as root 2 over 2, since we just need times root 2 for both denominator and numerator, and that doesn't affect the value of our original fraction. So we have root 2 over 2 as our sine 45 degrees. Okay. And in terms of cosine, so cosine 45, so that's gonna be adjacent, which is x as well, so x over root 2x. So still we get a 1 over root 2, and it's equal to root 2 over 2, as we just times root 2 for both top and bottom. Okay, and we have tangent 45, and that will be equal to x over x, because our opposite will be x and our adjacent will be x as well, and they're equal to each other. So the ratio of them will be just 1, right? Because if you look at the graph, the ratio of this over the length of this over the length of the other side, just going to be x over x. Okay, so now we can write our conclusion. So therefore, sine 45 is equal to root 2 over 2 cosine 45 is equal to root 2 over 2. Tangent 45 is just equal to 1. Okay. Yeah, so that's all we got for this question. So whenever you come across a question asking you tangent or sine or cosine of a special angle, just think about the special triangle. So no matter it's 30, 45, or 60, or even 90 or 0, you can always use the special triangle to help you figure out your answer. Okay? And since we talk about 45, I'll just go over the 30 degrees part with you guys as well. So let's say sine, cosine, tangent. And if we have 30 degrees, so that's degrees, that's gonna be equal to 1 over 2, root 3 over 2, and root 3 over 3. Okay, and if we have, since we talked about 45, so let's just jump to 60. So if we have 60, that is gonna be equal to root 3 over 2. Wait, hold on. Yeah. So root 3 over 2, 1 over 2, and root 3. Okay. Oh, and if we have 0, so the sign for that is just going to be 0, and cosine is going to be 1, tangent is 0. Okay. Oh, and also, if you don't remember what these values are, you can always construct a special triangle by yourself, where the 60, 90, 30 special angle looks like this. Okay, so 30, 60, and 90, and this is a special triangle as well. Special triangle as well, since its size follows 1, 2, and root 3. So for say that's 2x, then the short leg will be x, and the long leg will be root 3x. And so for example, if we have 2 for the short leg, so that's going to be 4 for the hypotenuse, and 2 root 3 for the longer leg. Okay. Yep. So yeah, that's all we got for this question. Let's leave a comment there. Solution is correct. Yeah, so I think those are all the questions for today. And if you enjoyed today's Q&A and would like to be notified of when we do this next, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. And if you'd like to submit your own questions, please visit the link in the description. Remember to leave a like and a comment and share this video with your friend. And this has been Andrew from OneClass. I hope to see you soon.